VOICEMOD is one of the many companies that have recently, well, not necessarily recently, but have picked up the use of AI. In this case, it is AI voice changers. While most of them are pretty good, there's quite a lot of issues that run when you're using an AI voice changer. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining the difference between an AI and a normal voice changer, and the pros and cons, as well as the sort of in-betweens of using one. Okay, so first thing I have to say is AI is a great tool and can be great if used correctly. With voice changers, how they work is they take your voice, they convert it to text, and then they convert that text to the voice that's been given to them. Say for example, you're using, what's a good voice for example? Akari. It's a good voice I can use. Akari is an AI voice changer and is pretty good, except for the fact that it doesn't work. So, because of the fact that it takes your voice, turns it to text, and turns it back to a voice, it's got to be able to understand what you're saying. Sounds easy, except if you have an accent, aren't speaking at the right volume, have any sort of distance between your microphone, or aren't talking clearly, or you have a stutter or anything like that, AI voice changers won't work for you. Whether you're talking loudly and the AI voice changer will start to have a thing called pass-through, where you hear your voice, but you also hear the AI voice at the same time, so yours comes over the top of it, which causes a lot of issues, especially when you're trying to change your voice so others don't hear what you originally sound like. Another thing that AI voice changers are really good for is more customization. You get a stronger customization for less effort. Most of the straight AI voice changers allow you to do a lot of maneuvering with your voice without having to do more customization with certain things. So if we go to the Voice Lab from scratch, I'll explain more about this in another video, but Iconics is the AI voice changers. If we choose, say, random one, Pirate, this will adjust my voice. You have complete control of the pitch, timbre, bright and deep vibes. So with this, you can make complete customization and get the voice working nicely. Whereas, if you were to want to make a custom voice, you need to use things like the audio effects and the device's mics and power pitch to get what you wanted. While it can be really beneficial to learn how to use the Voice Lab and make your own voices, most people either don't want to pay for Pro or don't want to put in the effort, in which case use the AI voice changers or use a community voice changer. One thing I find a lot of people not realize about the AI voice changers is 90% of them make you sound robotic. They all have this habit of removing pitch. Some are really good. I've noticed that a lot of the more modern versions, so stuff like Golden Bunny, Rockstar Wolf, these are the newest VOICEMOD voices. But you also have a lot of the newer voices. What they do is they're a bit more realistic and they can hold the sound a bit better. But most of the other ones, and the older ones, especially the oldest ones, always have the issue of sounding robotic, cutting your voice off if you've got an accent, and requiring perfect conditions to use.